Imagine a world that keeps moving. A world where we believe movement should never be taken away. But it didn't start with a belief. It started with facts.
Musculoskeletal disorders are the leading cause of disability worldwide, affecting people of all ages, not just the elderly.
This means they fundamentally affects the way people live, work, and stay active.
Many suffer in silence, thinking this is simply part of aging, but it doesn't have to be this way.
At NHG Health, we are committed to tackling this reality head-on through research, innovation, education, and clinical care with a strong focus on prevention and early intervention.
And if surgery was needed, we have the right people and the latest tool to get you moving again. With the strength of NHG's integrated network of hospitals, primary care providers, and care team behind us, we are committed to changing this narrative.
We're not just treating disability, we are preventing it.
We are not just managing pain, we are changing its story.
We are keeping the nation moving earlier, longer, and stronger than ever before.
At NHG Health, we're transforming musculoskeletal care through research, innovation, and education. Our patients are at the heart of everything we do, and delivering high-quality patient care is our aim. Because extraordinary care doesn't happen by accident, it happens by design. This is what musculoskeletal research excellence looks like, where progress leads. Not just new tools, but new ways of thinking. We challenge what's known, test what's possible, and scale what works. From bench to bedside, and from research-driven care pathways to population health studies. From understanding the critical role of psychosocial factors in function to the impact of our lived environment on mobility, we don't follow trends. We set them. This is what musculoskeletal innovation excellence looks like. This is not the future. This is now. Where joint implants are custom printed, not just fitted. Where movement is measured without a single marker on the body. Where signs of frailty are spotted before they're felt. This is innovation that doesn't wait. It leads so others can move forward. This is what musculoskeletal education excellence looks like. This is education that elevates, not just teaching, but empowering. We train clinicians to take on more, to lead, to decide, to deliver at the top of their license. Because knowledge shouldn't stay in lectures. It should expand practice, sharpen skills, and reshape care at every level. Now, others follow. This is where research drives discovery, where innovation shapes practice, where education empowers excellence, all culminating in our core mission, delivering exceptional care. This is care that doesn't settle for good enough. This is pain reversed, mobility regained, confidence restored. From our frontline therapists to our multidisciplinary teams, working across community care to primary care to tertiary care, we embrace the full spectrum of evidence-based care, bringing together the best of the East and West through integrative approaches. We build strength, not just in muscles, but in mindsets. This is what recognition looks like. Not just in trophies or titles, but in trust, in 10-year milestones, in nationwide partnerships, in being the benchmark others follow. From hospitals to homes, this is care that connects across systems, because MSK Health is a shared responsibility and a national opportunity. So, let this be a movement of those who believe that a stronger, more mobile nation begins today. But real change needs more than belief. It needs partners, policymakers, communities. It needs you. This is how we move the nation.